Yeah, hello, how's it going, tech guys? I'm Babs, and this is AIIF for the channel, where we will do with technicality in technology. We explain about technology. We give educational training on on courses, classes like CCNA, MCSA, nickel hacking, and all. That's what advanced IT that organization need to what to carry out what day-to-day activities. We just started this class, and we are onto this one, which is switching. And in my last class, I talked about how router works. You could check and what and confirm and understand how router works. Should be in case you have not checked it out. Okay, if you are just new to this channel, you're just spotting it, please kindly endeavor to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, put it on all notification so you can be the first person to see my next video. And you can use the comment section for your consign, and I'll try my possible best to make it more easier in my explanation. Okay guys, I said today we will be talking about switching. Now let me put on the slideshow for you to see very well. I will just be straightforward with this switching. Alright, now switching. Talk about router in the last class. So in circuit switching, network resources bandwidth are divided into pieces, and bit delay is what is constant during a connection. The dedicated path circuit established between sender and receiver provides a guaranteed data rate. Data can be transmitted without any delay once the circuit is what is established. Telephone system network is one of the examples of circuit switching. Time division multiplexing and FDM, frequency division multiplexing, are two methods of multiplexing multiple signals into a single carrier. Alright, now guys, before I deeply go, these are just the type of switching you have, which is the time division and FDM are two methods of multiplexing multiple signals. These are two ways you can switch. Now, what is switching itself? You could hear what switching is. Now, as I explain better to you what switching does in a network environment, in an area whereby you are saying first the router, don't doubt it. The next you'll be saying is a switch. Okay, let me say when you see the modem, you see a modem that is placed on it. The next is going to be the router, and the next you are going to see is the switching. So what does the switching do? Switching distributes packets to each node. What do I mean by node? I think I'm starting to use a technical word. I think I'm starting to explain a technical word here. Now, switching is the process to forward packets coming in from one port to a port leading towards destination. Now, what does switching do is it collects the packet from the router, it absorb it, and later now distribute it to each network on that network, like each computer that is attached to that network. Once you lay it very, like you have already connected your switch to the computer, and you want to start carrying out, then this switch is responsible for distributing all those data packets to each computer based on the type of topology you use in designing that network. Now, we have two types of switching. We have the connectionless and the connection oriented. Now, the connectionless data is the one forwarded on behalf of forwarding table. No previous handshaking is required, and acknowledgement are optional. Now, connection oriented network Before switching data to be forwarded to destination, is the need to pre-establish circuit along the path between both endpoints. Now, switching is one of the most important thing you need in uh in communicating when you are connecting to a, a network, or you are trying to pass a network within one word from the source to the location. Now, I was talking about the circuit switching. Now, the circuit switching, when two nodes communicate with each other over a dedicated communication path, it is called circuit switching. Now, when two nodes, when I say mean by node, computer communicate with each other over a dedicated communication path, it is called what a circuit switching. Circuit switching can be permanent or temporary. Application which is used circuit switching may have to go through three phases: establish, transfer the data, and disconnect the circuit. That's what that is. We also have a message switching. This technique was somewhere in the middle of what of circuits circuits. This technique was somewhere in middle of circuits and packet switching in message switching. The whole message is treated as a data unit and is what in switching transfer in entity. Now, a switching working on a message switching first receive the whole message and buffer it until they are what until they are resource available to transfer to the what to the next group. Now, after all this words and everything, what I actually wanted you to understand about switching is that is the word that is responsible for what for sharing of what of packet from the source to the destination after collecting it from the what from the router. That's what it does. Then it started distributing it. It's a distributing devices that does all that. Now all these are just by the way, and I will be rounding up this class and that is all there is to what to switching. When we get to the more practical class, I will explain better. I'm not more of a theoretical person, so you can make more findings and understand the theoretical term. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's a great privilege. See you until the next, and till then don't forget to also like and share with your friends, share with everyone that needs it, and comment. Let me know your concern and I'll explain better. Now wait until the next as I'll be uploading. If you are just viewing, try to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be rampant with my content as I am dropping it. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.